I'm gonna wet my brush.
Hello! Welcome back to my channel. I'm Des, your MukapGirl, and sa video na to, malamang nabasa nyo na yung title. I am going to try to follow a Kathleen Lights makeup tutorial. Ayan, so ito yung makeup look na ifa-follow ko, and I'm so excited to film this video because for the first time, I'm going to be using my Kathleen Lights Dream Street palette. So ito siya. Apart from this one, gagamitin ko rin yung aking Dream Team na lip bundle and sobrang excited ako. So, if you're interested to see kung ano yung kalalabasan ng makeup look na to, then please keep on watching, and if you're new here, please consider subscribing. Ayan, so ilalagay ko na lang yung video ni Mamang Kathleen dito sa side na to ng screen. And then, susundan natin kung paano niya ginawa yung makeup look na yun.
I'm gonna take my Dream Street palette, and the first eyeshadow I'm using is Magical. I'm gonna use this color as my crease shade. I'm using this on a big fluffy brush, and I'm pretty much just putting this eyeshadow all over my eyeball.
Okay, so here is my Dream Street eyeshadow palette. And yung unang shade na ginamit ni Kathleen is this shade. So, kukunin natin yan using a fluffy brush daw. And ilagay natin siya sa ating crease.
I want this color to be everywhere, basically.
She wants this color everywhere daw. So, gawin natin yan. Magtiwala tayo kay Kathleen Lights.
And then I'm gonna take Shooting Star, and on a smaller brush, still a big fluffy brush, but not as fat, I'm applying this a little bit more precisely in the crease, not taking it as high up as I took Magical, you know what I'm saying?
So, ito naman daw.
Oh, I took some powder and I applied this underneath the eyes because I did apply my foundation already, so I wanted the fallout to fall on the powder and not on my foundation. But I took the shade Twinkle, and this is the star of the show. I'm just applying this all over my lid with my finger.
Okay, we're gonna do that. Oh my gosh, this eyeshadow though, ang ganda niya.
And then I went into Elfish, and I'm just applying this to the outer corners and dragging this color into my crease. I am gonna start building this color up little by little as I go on in the tutorial because I want it to be pretty dark in my crease. So I do go back into this eyeshadow a couple times during the tutorial.
Yan, gusto daw niya ng dark outer corners. So, gayahin natin yun.
I also don't want things to look too harsh in the crease, so I go back in with Shooting Star and I'm just blending out Elfish. I don't want it to have any harsh lines. I don't want it to look like, you know, too intense. So I'm just constantly blending out the harsh edges. And then I took some more of Magical to give it that peachy look in the crease. I really love how the peach just makes the crease pop. So I'm just adding a little bit more of that. And then to highlight my brow bone, I'm going in with
Highlight na ng brow bone.
I'm gonna wet my brush, and I'm gonna take a little bit more of Twinkle. Even though you don't need to wet this eyeshadow, it just looks so intense when you do. So I'm applying just a little bit more on my lid, and then I went back into Elfish and I did the exact same thing, just applying this to the outer corners and dragging that into the crease. And just blending, blending, blending. I'm gonna go back into Magical, and you guessed it, add some more to the crease and blend some more. And then I just repeat this step a couple of times.
Tapos, nag-lower lash line na siya, guys. So, tanggalin natin itong powder na itim. Wala namang fallout yung eyeshadow. So, nagpakasiguro lang si Mamang Kathleen Lights. So, now let's do the lower lash line.
For my lower lash line, I'm just gonna take the same shades I used in my crease in the exact same order. A little bit of Magical, a little bit of Shooting Star, and a little bit of Elfish. I'm just not gonna drag Elfish all the way across my lower lash line. I'm just focusing this on the outer corners of my lower lash line, just to mimic the top lid. And then I went in with a deep brown eyeliner. This is the Makeup Forever Aqua XL eye pencil. I wanted like a deep chocolate color, and I love these eyeliners. They're awesome. They last all day.
Ako naman, gagamitin ko tong EB Advanced Silky Eyeliner in the shade Cocoa. Oh my gosh, naiyak ako. I don't usually use eyeliner dito sa bottom lashes, kaya naiyak ako, besh.
And then for mascara, I went in with the Lancome Monsieur Big mascara, and it's an awesome mascara. Makes your lashes...
Napansin ko, nag-highlight siya ng inner corner pero hindi niya sinama sa steps. So, gagawin natin yan. I'm assuming na Moony ulit yung ginamit niyang inner corner highlight. And then, tsaka siya nag-mascara. Let me just curl my lashes. And gamitin natin si EB Volume Curl Mascara. Tapos naglagay si Kathleen Lights ng single falsies, kaso wala ako nun. So, i-intensify ko na lang yung mascara ko. Ayan, so I believe our eye look is complete, and then si Ate Kathleen nag-proceed na siya with finishing the rest of her face. So yun yung gagawin ko ngayon. For blush, let's go in with Baked Fig para bumagay siya dun sa rose gold theme ng ating eyes. And then for highlight, gusto ko yung medyo gold yung shade. So, ito yung gagamitin ko from my City Color Highlight Trio. Of course, yung nose bridge din. Don't forget about that. Cupid's bow. Chin, and yung dito sa sides ng noo, nilalagyan ko rin. Tapos nag-setting spray siya, so gagawin ko rin yon. And I'm using my Miniso Green Tea Repairing Hydrating Spray. For lipstick, gagamitin ko na lang itong kanyang Dream Team Lip Bundle, and yung gagamitin kong shade for today is Dreamy. So, ayan, and then let's top it off with this ultra glossy lip in the shade Moonchild. So, ayan, this is our final makeup look, and please give me a chance to do some aura-aura thing. So, there you go guys. You've reached the end of this video, and sana nag-enjoy kayo sa pinagagawa ko. Of course, hindi naman ako professional makeup artist, so don't expect na kasing ganda at kasing pulido ng gawa ni Kathleen Lights yung ginawa ko. Anyway, if you did like this video and if you enjoyed, then please give it a thumbs up, and if you still haven't, please subscribe to my channel. I'm also on Facebook and Instagram at MukapGirl. Thank you for watching, guys, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye!
I just wanna be